Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Ohme Intelligent Charger with solar integration, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, gather all necessary tools and equipment. Ensure you have your Ohme Intelligent Charger and the required installation kit. Locate the installation site for your charger, ideally close to your power source and vehicle parking area. Check for any local building codes or regulations that may affect installation. Next, turn off the main power supply to ensure safety during installation. Unbox the Ohme Intelligent Charger and review the instruction manual included in the package. Identify the mounting location on your wall or post using a level to ensure it is straight. Mark the drill holes according to the template provided in the installation kit. Drill holes at the marked locations, taking care to use the appropriate drill bit for your wall type. Insert wall anchors into the drilled holes if required for better stability. Now, attach the charging unit to the wall using screws provided in your installation kit. Make sure the charger is securely fastened and level. Next, you will connect the unit to the power supply. Use the provided electrical cable to connect your charger to the main power. Ensure the connection is tight and secure to prevent any electrical hazards. Now, let's prepare for solar integration. Mount the solar panels in a location that receives maximum sunlight exposure throughout the day. Connect the solar panels to your Ohme Intelligent Charger using the designated solar input terminals. Double-check all connections to ensure they are secure and correctly plugged in. Now, turn the main power supply back on to activate the charger. Follow the on-screen instructions on the charger interface to configure your device settings. After setup, test the charger to ensure it is functioning properly. Finally, clean up the installation area, removing any packaging and debris. Your Ohme Intelligent Charger with solar integration is now ready for use. Enjoy the benefits of efficient charging powered by renewable energy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.